My friends, part 2 of the earlier video I am doing now. Reason, there are something which I have missed, which I want to communicate to you. Before continuing to training of that indicator, RM strategy that is. Okay. So I have created actually for the algo trading, but algo will not work in that. Don't try algo. Okay. And there are other rules I have to put for that. So if that comes perfect, then I will go for algo trading strategy. So second thing is, so I have written a book which is in Amazon Kindle. Uh, those who are looking for timing the market, those who are looking for redeeming the mutual funds, those who are thinking of buying gold and silver in big quantity, so they must read that book. Okay, so reason is as per the astrofinance, I have mentioned some areas where you will be able to understand when to buy gold, when to buy silver, and all those things. So this is the book. I have added this link in the YouTube link description box. Okay, so you must read this book, or you can, it will take time because it's almost 300 pages of book to understand everything. So in that also I have mentioned very clearly that which when to enter in mutual fund, when you should buy more and more units of mutual fund, when you need to redeem mutual funds. That also I have explained. And when is the good time to buy gold? When is the good time to sell gold? That also I have mentioned based on the astrofinance aspects like nakshatra, planetary transits, everything I have explained in this. Okay. So this is not the bigger cost at all. Okay. So if you have Kindle access, you can use this. And because I have taken sources from many other books and summarized this so that you no need to search many books for studying strategy, because normally astrofinance books will not give you the strategies. Okay, they will give you only uh, astrology related things. Here I have mentioned even the setups which are created by the great astrofinance experts. That also I have added in this. Okay, so this is not my just own brain. So I want to credit to all the astrofinance experts across the world, including India. So those who have made many books. Okay, so summary of that book I have added in this. Okay, so if anything wrong in this book, please excuse, ignore that. Okay, and try to take the positive points out of the book, because this is my first experiment in writing the book, so that people can get access to. Because nowadays nobody having the habit of reading. So still I wanted to give this to mankind. Hence I have made this. And if you don't have patience and time, you can join my Udemy course and you can enjoy the training which I am giving there. Okay. Now come to the point. Okay. So you see the HCL Tech, what happened? Below this pink line, yes came and short entry taken. Okay. So you see the BDL. Okay. So after when the price is away from this zone, so you try to come down. But here you will not take any short entry. Many people having a habit that, whenever they are this much up, buying came, let's short it, like that they do. Okay. Now still the price is above the moving average, above the super trend. Okay. Uh, and B also there. So don't try to short it, because the price will go up and come down. And again, there is a buying opportunity. Until unless the price goes below this level, don't try to take the short entry. Okay. So if I talk about Bank Nifty, if you see here, this zone is a selling zone. Once it touches the pink line, this is a selling zone. But there is no S here. Okay. So will you buy here? So you will not buy here, because the price action started from at this level when the previous high broken and the super trend was green and above the moving average. You would have traded over here only. So you no need to wait to buy over here. Okay. So this is how you need to use the price action. And this is the first candle today. That is doji candle, red candle, the high broken, previous high also broken. So buy came and above the moving average. So like that, you need to take the long entry in the bank Nifty. Okay. So Nifty, if you see, Nifty still in downtrend. Okay. So there is no buy side setup. So let me show you something in this. Okay. So yeah. Okay. If you mix this indicator with RM Gann indicator, okay. then you will get a better setup. You will be knowing where to trade, where not to trade. Now you are almost near to the buy zone of the our Gann level. Okay. Here you will not take a short entry. So buy entry came here. So you will not take the buy entry using this indicator. But you will wait because the price pink line is over here. Okay. So until unless the price cross and close above this pink line, there is no bullish setup in the Nifty. Okay. Might be possible that from here the price go up and comes up to here, and possible that it might come down. Okay. So that also you need to look at. One second. So there is some setting missing here. Okay, so all correct only. Cannot this one. So I will put my real indicator. Yeah, this one. Okay. I'm optimizing this indicator for algo trading, so I don't know when I will be successful. Other algo setups are working fine, so you can use that option selling algos. Okay, now you see this is the Nifty. Now see. So there is a daily resistance and daily support, and there is a weekly support here. So price, I said yesterday also, price might come up to this level. Okay. So, and once this price comes here, so then there is a big chance that you can book, you can try to buy at this level. But the stop loss is 24,292. So below this, it will become a sell side trade only. Okay. So hence be careful because if this level breaks, that is 24,300 level breaks, then there will be big fall. It might go up to 24,051. Okay. So you need to be careful. If the price goes below this, you take as many as put you want, and keeping this only as a stop loss. Okay. So you don't need to keep bigger stop loss. Okay. So this is one setup I have for you. And if you want to see the stocks, okay, how you would have traded the stocks. Okay, so let me show you Bosch Limited. Okay, see Bosch again, it is a higher high. Okay, so hence I will not be entering this trade. If I want to take any risky trade setup, okay, then what I will do, I will use the God gift indicator because it's a buy side. Okay, so if you want, you can take the trade provided God gift indicator gives you a support resistance above R1. Okay. This will become a more accurate and perfect setup for you for doing intraday or swing trading. Okay. So 7.3, this is one convenience you got. Another buy signal also there. Third, above resistance, above previous high. So you should not miss this kind of trade. Even though price is away from the pink line. Okay. So this is one setup which I have for you. And if you want to trade in Grasim, okay, so you see the Grasim today's setup, support, resistance, above pink line. You can buy nearer to pink line. Okay, so keeping this as a stop loss, support as a stop loss. Okay, so this is also one best setup which you can follow if you want to talk about Union Bank of India, because some public sector banks are doing well. So above resistance, B came. You see the daily support, daily resistance. Previous high also broken. And where is the pink line? Pink line is also here. So these two things, this pink line and resistance, will become a perfect entry level for you for the long trade. So your stop loss will be support. Okay. So like this, choose the stocks which is trending. So and put them here, and you know where to enter, where to exit. If you check the MCX here, okay. See, first of all, there is no pink line nearby here. Okay, so support resistance below the resistance, so there is no buy at all. Okay, so leave it. Power India, see the beautiful setup. Okay, now support resistance above pink line. So it is a buy here. So your stop loss is big here because the support resistance length is bigger, so it might become a sideways. Hence avoid, because yesterday, day before yesterday, it went big upside. Then profit booking came. Now again it is ready to go up. Now the pink line is here. Okay. So follow the pink line. So below the pink line, don't take any short. Okay. So you exit using the pink line. So in 5 minute time frame. Okay. Now if I talk about any other stocks which are trending, Hindalco. Okay. Hindalco also sideways. Indian Bank, MFSL. Okay, so MFSL you see here. Wait for the support resistance. See, above pink you must buy. Buy came here. So here you must buy. You don't need to wait for resistance also. You can buy and keep this as a stop loss. You can go for a bigger profit. Okay, so bigger profit in the sense you can trail using, see, some people are asking that, where should I exit? If your risk appetite is less, okay, you make this ATR as 1.5 and this super trend as 3.5. This you can use for exit. Okay. So as soon as this becomes dot lines are becoming red, then you should exit. Okay. So if you want, I think you can set that also over here. Instead of dot, you can make it line also. Let me check that. Okay. Exit. Like this. Okay. Now you see the line has created. Okay, so if you want a thick line, you can make that thick line also. Okay, by selecting like this. Okay, so now you will see this will become your trailing stop loss line, super trend. Okay, so use this super trend. So if buy is there, so no need to worry above the super trend. This is the trailing super trend. This is the entry super trend. This is the moving average. So moving average also you can change as per your requirement. Okay, if any YouTuber tells you that you must use this moving average, then you can use that moving average. Instead of 25, you can use 50 moving average. You can use 89 moving average, whichever you want, you can use. See, the moving average came below. So whenever the price comes and touches the moving average, whenever this is buy signal is giving you the buy signals and above the pink line, you should look for only buy side. You don't try to buy at this level. That is what my request to each one of you. Because it is called above the ATR price. You call mathematically, if you calculate, whenever the price is away from these levels, they tend to come down. Okay. Talk about Indus Tower. See, Indus Tower also given good buy here. Okay, so now it is exited. Okay, so R1, once the price comes here, so it's a intraday trading I am talking about. Swing trading also you can keep this as a support, as a stop loss and trail. That's not the problem. Okay, so Exide Industries, so no trade setup. It's there, but see, the first candle is a big candle and support resistance above the pink line. This is a buy zone. Okay, the stop loss is support. So you need to exit there. Okay, so polycap, if you try to trade, okay. I'm showing you most of the trade setup. So there is no buy setup here because the pink line is here. And above resistance you're supposed to buy. But we will avoid trading in this kind of stock. Astral also below the pink line. No trading. Okay, so Bandhan Bank crossed the pink line. So whether support resistance above, yeah, it's a perfect entry zone over here. You would have taken long entry. Okay. So has been morning only good setup was there, but it's below the pink line. Avoid trading this also. Okay. Anything left? PNB. Okay. So Punjab National Bank, see above the pink line, buy signal. It's the perfect setup. Okay. So like this. So once the price comes below this moving super trend, you can exit here. So our moving average is here. You can change the moving average. You can change the super trend settings. This is a trail. This is not the confirmation of trading. Okay, confirmation of trading only you need to take using pink line and buy signal. Okay, so hope I am clear with this video. So I am completing my training on this indicator. This I have given free access to all the students who have taken course from us. Enjoy and keep making profit. So have a great day. Thank you.